Hi teacher, I am here to present a video about recent questions. Question 1, can you describe yourself physically? Height age. Yes, I am of average height, 172 meters. I have heavy black hair, I have dark brown eyes, and a small nose. Question 2. How would you describe your best friend's appearance? My best friend is similar to me, average height, has brown hair and brown eyes, and studies with me. Question 3. What personal information do you usually need to complete an application form? The personal information I usually record is full name, age, date of birth, date of issue, cell phone number, and email address. Question 4. What key of information can you find on an identification card? One ID card I managed on the find the full name, date of birth, date of issue, place of birth, and place of issue. Question 5. How will you describe your personality? What makes you unique? My personality is very introverted, cheerful, and humble, friendly, thirsty, and what makes my unique in the way in the think and who's know how of the others of their wide respect. Question 6. What question do you ask when you meet someone new? I ask him what he likes to do, what he likes, what he doesn't like. I question his personality. I test what he does for a living and what draws his attention the most. Question 7. Can you describe a family member? Yes, I am going to describe my brother since he is similar to me. He has average height, short hair, brown eyes, and a small nose. Question 8. What do they look like and what are they like? He is very friendly and thirsty to communicate with. As when talking, it feels like you are in friendly relationship. Question 9. How is your family similar to or different from other families? My family is very close. Since one son in the family group needs help, they are always willing to help, being on respect and loving family. Question 10. What do you and your best friends have in common? What we have in common is that we are very responsible, friendly, respectful, and happy. Question 11. How do you politely ask for information about some you could meet? Just meet. First, I greet you. How are you? Can I ask you a quick question before we do it? Are you able to take the survey? Right, teacher, that's the first part of video. I going to tell about exercise 2. Hey, hello neighborhood, how are you? I see you are new to the neighborhood. I live across the street. I really like being social and friendly with others. I like the quit. I say you like soccer just like I do. You have a Real Madrid shirt and it's my favorite team, the champions. We can go play game and head to know each of their bitter. I have Okan. I have some very plans die with you, and we can head to a can know each other every better. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you so very much, teacher. That is my presentation of the video. Bye.